in Ghana is good evening, but in abroad is good morning. Hello viewers, today I'm going to teach you how to create a YouTube channel. For you to create a YouTube channel, first you have to have a browser, and this is a browser. Google Chrome is my browser. Click on it, it opens. Come back, go to the address bar. Go to the address bar. Go to the address bar. Signing. Signing. Sign up Gmail. Click enter. It opens. Click on this. No. Not this. Need to click on this one rather. Yeah, click on this one rather. It will ask for your information. For information, first name. First name is Scrumet. Sechi. Otu. Yeah, the username will come automatically. So I will take Clement Sechi Auto. Clement Sechi Auto. I'll pick Clement Sechi Auto. It will come at Gmail, and I'll type my password. Yeah, password. I think password will be MC A When you are done with this, press the next, press on the next. You press on the next, you wait for a minute, they'll ask for your number, type your number 050 050. Month you are born, August 9th August 1997. When you are done, that's all. That's all. You they'll ask you, just click on the agree. Agree. You see, it's done. Welcome, Clement Searchy Auto. See, it's done. It's done. We are done. Hello, guys. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day and God bless you all. Thank you for that. Bye. Bye.